Every child has a spark, but only a few light the skies early. Some call it potential, we call it evolution.
I feel so empowered to, just conquer the world.
Like I was thinking, why not more until we, reach the apex.
Become better than me. I have evolved a lot.
Because while others wait for talent to grow, you're already solving problems leaders haven't cracked in decades. This isn't just luck, this isn't just talent. This is what happens when the right evolution happens at the right time. From turning around impossible situations to reshaping industries.
I was very desperately looking for some forum for myself and for him, and this is the right place. I feel we are here.
Anton and Harini are just giving me one superpower after another.
This was the only one which helps me to achieve my dream faster and more efficient way.
Like they have increased my grasping power.
So as a tagline suggests, they are really evolution scientists.
From spark to impact creation. At Up with Antino and Harini, years are compressed into moments. You don't grow in years, you grow every day. While others learn, you evolve. While they wait, you lead. Not later, not someday, but now.
I want to solve the world's biggest problems. Problems like exploitation, corruption, and that is exactly what Anton and Harini are equipping me to do.
I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to run Fortune 500 company.
I want to become the world's best at in football.
Biotech and a biosciences startup.
Doing something unique in business industry.
Mostly art.
Fashion technology.
Career in CA.
So I would like to become veterinarian, evolution scientist.
Prodigies rise beyond wisdom, courage, mastery achieved in months. Because here, you're built differently.
The experience is completely different, and once you step in, you're not going to step out as the same person.
Speed up the process of reaching there. It's helping me get to that stage much faster and much more effectively. Get high performance states when required.
Like they said, it's a magic wand. They completely evolve your life experiences.
You don't dream of greatness, you are too busy becoming it. And while they talk about potential, you are already rewriting the rules. Here's your launch pad for the world impact.
My first up.
This is my second up.
This is my third up. This is my fifth up.
The first up, second up, and this up is like great because I have a lot of changes in me which I always wanted, and it's helping me a lot this time.
Every time you go for up, you exponentially improve and increase your potential.
Like in context where I'm not able to learn, I'm able to learn. I'm able to comprehend myself.
When you are an athlete, you play any sports, you have to be mentally strong. So they do it here. I have been in 1 year, I was actually zero, and right now I'm playing second divisions.
And my relationships have just accelerated.
Yeah, like my relationship with sister was very worse when I came to up. But now it has gone to a new level, a better level.
It's just like that bond has been built and we're able to communicate with each other openly about most topics.
You're not too young, the world's just late. This is the era of time compression. Installation artists, big impact. This is where sparks become storms, where evolution meets your unique impact. Up with Antino and Harini, where legends begin early.
But then after coming here, I don't want to leave this arena. I don't want to go back home. It's that nice.
They have impacted on my life. I don't know how to describe them.
Thank you so much, Anton and Harini, for changing my life.
It's not in my words. I don't know how to express. I'm so thankful and grateful to this.
And I am really grateful. I'm really, really grateful for this opportunity.
Because I want to come to ANH every year. Because I love ANH.